Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh. Today I'll be presenting interior design in VR. Let's start. Here in this room, we will be changing the textures of floor, walls, roof and the sofa. So here once I press the C button on the controller, you'll see the menu canvas. As you can see, the floor menu is selected by default. We can select different menus using the laser pointer. Let's change the floor texture. I'll select this texture here. As you can see, the floor's texture is changed. Now let's match the floor texture with the texture of the roof as well. So here I'll select roof menu and I'll change the texture with so the texture of the roof has been changed as well. Here you can see. Next we will move closer to the sofa so we can see it clearly. I'll just turn off the menu for a while. Teleport near the sofa. So here's the sofa and we can see the wall behind it as well. Now we'll change the texture of the sofa. Let's get the menu as set it to this one. Lastly, we'll also change the texture of the walls. So select the wall option over here. Let's select this one. So in this way you can change to different textures and see how it looks. This is it and I hope you like it.